Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to tell you how to get a certificate and how to do the certification course on Revit architectural or structural course. So open your Google Chrome browser and just go to the Google and just type Coursera Coursera and just go and enter it. Here you can see. So after all, what you need to do, you just go and click this upper one or this one, Coursera build skills with online courses. Just go and click it. After that, here join for free, right? So for students, just go for the login. So beside of the login here, login with your organizations or continue with your Google. So if you are new to this, then just go for the sign up. So after that, what you need to do, write your full name. So my full name is, you write yours. So email ID you need to give it here. So here you can see I have entered my email address. Now after that, what you need to do, you need to create a password. So it is in between 8 to 72 characters. That's depend on you how you create, but its minimum character should be 8. So now just go for password to your comfortness or to your desire. So after that, just go for join for free. Once you clicked it, see here the panel opens like this. So now what you want to do, so here it's welcome us. So it says you that welcome to Coursera Pius, and then you need to write here your work experience and whoever you are. Just go and if right now I'm skipping this because I do not know, means I do not want this. So what you want to learn, right? So you want to learn Revit, so just go for the Revit and just click it. Here you can see Autodesk, and it is completely provides the Autodesk. You know the Autodesk very well, about the Autodesk, AutoCAD, Revit architecture, Revit structure, this all the Revit means all the Autodesk company. So Autodesk certificate professional Revit for architectural design exam preparation. Just go and click it here. So you may thinking that it is paid or it is of free. So it is not the free of cost. So for certifications, but if you want to learn it from here, so it is free of cost. So here you can see enroll for free. So here your course means Autodesk certified professional Revit for architectural design and exam preparations. So now here all it is here. See, this is your syllabus, design modeling and model documents. If you go to the down, then it says families. So it will take 8 hours to complete it. So it includes 21 videos, tutorials. So now after that, you need to enroll for free. So just go and click it here. So here if you want to purchase it, so this purchase in the sense you need to pay 2126 rupees for certification. So down of it you can see commit to earning a certificate. It is a trusted and shareable way to showcase your new skills. So that is, but I'm not interested in this, I need to learn it. So if you want to get certificate, now you can get it, and I will tell you about this one also, purchasing also. Just go and continue it. Now what it says, just have a look on that. Now start learning, just click it, just have a look here. Autodesk certified professional Revit for architectural design exam preparation, it is starts now, it up to 2 weeks. So it is the duration of 2 weeks. So now you need to end within 2 weeks. So how to end it? So it is due to, here you can see the left of it here the weeks. So for that you need to earn, if you want to earn certificate, now you need to have some assignment. So here you can see it. So discussion prompt, you need to solve this also. Here the quiz, if you open it, so now it is logged because we are not able to do this. No, here it is not logged. Coursera honor code, you need to go to continue it. So here you can do it in, this assignment typically takes around 2 hours and 12 minutes to complete it. So yes, I helped it now. Okay, got it. So if you start it, here you can see this type of quiz questions will come. Now if you got, or if you secured more than 80% or 80%, now you will able to get the certificate. So it the same thing, it contains total 50 questions. So like this, you need to have total 2 pre-assignments and one assignment. So if you complete it, you may automatically get your certificate in your Gmail, which you have logged into it. So for that you need to pay 2126 rupees for that. So if you want these all questions answered, then please comment me comment me in my comment box or chat box. I will definitely solve everything. I will provide you each and every question's answers, and that will be really helpful for you to getting the certificates. So the same thing, and I hope these all the tutorials are very useful, because these all tutorials are assigned by the Autodesk, and that is quite helpful for you. So what you need to do, so here you can see now I have I have enrolled in this in progress. So if you go and click it or go to the course, now if you want to start your lecture, so this is your assignment means this is your assessment, right? So if you want to learn this, now go to your videos tutorial, and that will, here you can see your computer's time zone is does not seem to match. Now change your Coursera time zone. Now how to do it? So this is also the most important for your certification course. So if your this name will appear on your certificate, okay. Now this time zone lens or Los Angeles, if you are from India or somewhere else, you need to go with the continent. So it is Antarctica or Arctic. So these, which continent you belong. So I belong to the Asia, so this is Africa. Now go to search, sorry, here you can see Asia. So in Asia, which country are you living? So I am in India. So it here it all the capital of the country. So here it is K. So it was recently, it is the capital of India is New Delhi, but previously it was Kolkata. So just go and click it here, Kolkata, and just save it. So verify your name. It completely links to your Gmail ID, and you need to verify it. If you want to change your password, you may and link your Facebook account to this. So now after that what you need to do, just go it now, start your lecture, and listen all the lectures. That will be very helpful for you. It is not only for getting your certificate. So if you are not able to pay these fees, then please go and listen all the lectures. So it is only the 2 weeks course, and this tutorial will really helpful for you. So if you really like this tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel, then and press the bell icon for getting new updates regarding my channel. Okay, thank you for watching this.